gonna take the 34 out to tune Doug's car. DJ's working on this mess. Oh yeah, it's the fun stuff. Yeah. Nice. All right, see you in a bit, man. Yeah. Pretty nice day for it. Damn, how pumped are you?
I'm fucking stoked, man.
It'd be sick.
We gotta get this thing running.
Tuning Doug's sick coupe. Damn, this thing came out really good.
She's getting there.
Man.
All right.
With everything polished, dude.
Big Polish guy. Big Polish guy.
Polisher.
Do you want me to try to start it right now?
Actually, just turn power on.
Okay. Here, ready?
Yep.
That shit's sick. That'll never
Dude.
get old.
Damn. This thing's sweet.
Thing. Filled with junk in the back right now. I gotta clean it bad.
Ready for Final Bout.
Yeah.
Flame seats. This guy's on fire.
A lot of work.
Oh, how's it doing?
It's doing the thing. The fucking O2 through the code again, but it is working intermittently. So we'll
that's
see
cool.
How much it
as long as we can get it close enough. I might have an extra for you too.
It's definitely rich at idle though. I mean, it's at 9 point something.
Wow.
So
dude, that's insane.
It's so quiet.
That's such low RPM.
So,
wow, good balance.
It does not want to like rev at all.
Oh, okay.
But, you know, that's...
What is it, 2.5?
That's 4.
Okay, nice.
That's 3.5. That's also right at 3. So these two need to come up. That's 5. So these, and then that's 4.5. So this one needs to come down.
And those two up, and then it's all set.
I think it'll be. I think it's. I
that's
think
awesome.
It's close enough that it could be tuned, but I don't know.
No, it definitely is.
Okay.
That's awesome. I have like almost the same ones to put on.
Yeah, you should.
What do you just drill through your pedals?
Nah, bro. They have like little tabs that hook on the back of them. I didn't drill a single pedal.
Dude, that's sick.
Chibbin's pissed.
Oh. Where's the excess wiring go? You just tie this thing?
I'll tie it up there.
Okay, nice.
I can't believe the power brakes still work.
Dude, it's so nice to have. Especially with the low amount of vacuum there.
Yeah.
Damn, that is a hard fucking... Let's see this shit. What the fuck is going on here?
Yeah, that's so weird.
Yeah, I think it's a TPS thing. I think it's because it goes to 0 and then it just turns back on.
Yeah.
Hell yeah.
This guy's a wizard.
Dude, we try to whiz.
We're trying to whiz. It sounds so great.
Oh, it does, dude. I love this thing. Dancing rips. Try that thing again at 20-something hundred.
Let me know if you want me to do a pull or anything like that.
All right, go for it.
It sounds so weird.
That's crazy.
It seems like it's doing what it I'm off throttle
Definitely.
right now, it's still reading that, so.
Yeah, it's pretty good.
It pulls so good.
It does, that's sick.
I think it's faster than it was.
Nice, I hope so.
I think it is.
Good amount of dirts.
Not enough dirt, actually.
Oh, no full rocks.
I was hoping for more dirt.
Yeah, I was really hoping to catch some bugs.
The old bug catcher.
Dude.
You outdid yourself this time.
Thanks, brud.
Dude, of course.
Oh, you got a nice washer here.
Yeah, yep.
Let's go right in the intake, huh?
No, perfect. Yeah, throw it in. Thanks.
Gotta say, life's great. Just been tuning cars and making parts. Until next time.